Hello guys, welcome to my channel Machine Learn. Hope you all are doing well during this lockdown. So in this video, we are going to learn about scheduling and enable scheduling annotation. We will see our application calling a method exact at 6 seconds of interval. So before starting this video, if you are new here and haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Okay, enough of talking, let's start. So in the screen you can see we have made a class called machine learn subscriber. So we have annotate this class with @component annotation. So what does this @component annotation do? So this @component annotation marks a Java class as a bean. So the component scanning mechanism of Spring can pick it up and pull it into the application context. So after this, we have declared two variables. One is logger and one is formatter. So logger is basically like system.out.println, but instead of CISO, we have used logger. Now in date formatter, we have just format a date of pattern HHMMSS to just print it here in this method. So we have written a method with void return type. So we have given an annotation @schedule to this method. So in this @schedule we have passed two parameters, you can see, like fixed delay string and initial delay. So scheduled annotation is used for scheduling the delay, like at how much interval of time this method needs to be called. Here we have passed two parameters, like you can see, for fixed delay and initial delay. So initial delay is used to assign the delay time after that application start for the first time. Like if we start application right now, if we run this application, so when will this method call first? So this delay come into picture, like we have denoted it as 10,000. So this method will be first called after 10 seconds of when application is being run. So it is in the millisecond. And fixed delay string means when the application is running and the initial delay has been crossed. So this fixed delay in millisecond with variable which we have declared in the application.properties file, that has the value 6000. It means this fi- this fixed delay has the value 6 here. So after every 6 seconds this method is being called. So we can run this program and now see how this works. So before doing this, one more thing I want to tell you, that for using a scheduled annotation, we first have to mark our main class with @enable scheduling. With this annotation, our program understands that we have used scheduled annotation in our application, and it search for the @schedule annotation and make the scheduled application work perfectly. So let's run this program. So I have run this program. Now you can see the first logger will be printed after 10 seconds when the program start running. So our program has been started. So you can see the time here. It has been started at 2 8 and 35 seconds, and our first logger is being printed at 2 8 and 44, and after that in every 6 seconds our method is being called. So you can see after 50 at 56. So this is how this scheduled annotation work in Spring Boot. This is it for the video. Hope you all like this video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep coding.